Hi all, welcome back to Make More Bonsai. John here. Let's do something a little different today. Sometimes when you're looking for material to make more bonsai, it helps to purchase some material. And the question is always, where can I turn to? Who can I turn to get very specific, great bonsai species to make into bonsai? They are out there. You'll find a ton online. You may even find a few local nurseries that have great stock that you can purchase raw. This here box, this is from Round Valley Nursery in Lindsay, California. Ed Clark runs the nursery. It is almost exclusively dedicated to growing bonsai material. I would suggest if you're out that way, make arrangements to visit and take in the expanse of all the material being developed there. What does make this quite special is the focus on bonsai specific stock. The material he's growing is being pruned and wired and developed to look really great as pre-bonsai, which is really valuable if you want to get a head start on a nice tree. They don't have much of a web presence, however. Ed does have a Facebook page, and that's how I was able to reach out to him last year because I'm nowhere near Lindsay, California. He was super helpful. He shared photos, various trees I was interested in. He's so focused on creating exceptional bonsai stock. I just landed on Ed. I trust you. Just send me a couple of trees. I'm sure I'll love them. And they were better than I expected for sure. He sent me some of his Itoigawa Junipers, and they arrived in great shape and they were awesome bonsai material. Itoigawa are a fine leaf variety of Juniperus chinensis. Itoigawa and Kishu are popular varieties that live under the broad Japanese term for this kind of juniper used for bonsai called shinpaku. I've been growing the Kishu variety for a while and I wanted to start experimenting with some Itoigawa. So this year I wanted to expand into more Itoigawa junipers, so I reached out to Ed again and said, Ed, just send me a box of your sweet best. He ships on Monday, and here it is. We're gonna open this box together. He also didn't know I was making this unboxing video until after he shipped them. Then I asked him if he wouldn't mind, and he was all in, so I'm confident this is going to be some nice stuff in there. I will leave various links in the description below in case you want to reach out to Ed after you see what's in this box, and I really hope you do, and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. I can't wait to see what's in this box. How about you? There we go. That's one. That's two. And that's three. These will need to be potted up and allowed to recover and get acclimated to their new home. If they start showing signs they're healthy enough to begin some training this year, let's work on one or more of them together here on the channel. I think it'll be fun. Until then, they're going to chill out on the bench until summer. Thanks for checking this out with me. I hope you consider checking out what Ed and Round Valley Nursery has to offer. Links are in the description below. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It feels really great to know if you're enjoying this stuff and maybe getting something out of it. Oh, and check out my book, Run the Commercial. If you like what we're doing over here, go on over to Amazon and check out our book, Bonsai Progress. It's a wonderful little tracker, fits in your pocket or your toolbox. You can keep track of up to 27 different trees, 70 lines with dates. It makes for a great gift, probably the least expensive thing you'll find in the world of bonsai. So go on over there and check it out. And also, if you like what you're seeing, like and subscribe.